welcome back to my channel, Arna Live.
In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys all of my silly squishies. So basically like a mini silly squishy haul, I guess. And before we begin, I have my 3 shoutouts as always. So congratulations to those people. Make sure to subscribe to their channel, subscribe to mine. And if you subscribe to me, I'll subscribe back. Make sure to like this video and I'll like yours. And comment down below for a shoutout. And make sure to read the description for the rest of the details.
Without further ado, let's begin.
I have are the Silly Poo, and these are all silly squishies. I have 3 of them at the moment out of 12. And I'm hoping to get the rest. No, actually, there's not 12, there's 15 at most of them. And obviously, I can't really squish them in the packaging, so let's take them out. Here they are. And make sure to check out my other videos I have on these. So the first one I have is this Cupcake Poo. This one kind of smells like buttercream in a way. That was like a horrible squish. I'm so sorry, guys. Like, I don't even know how to squish this. I mean, I just want to smell it. It just smells really good. Like, I've seen people opening these on other videos on YouTube, and they get like this cupcake poo, and it's really dense. So I say I got a pretty good one, because this one's not that dense. And the bottom is just like so glossy. I love squishing the bottom. Okay, that's enough of this squishy. The next squishy is this ballerina squishy. Oh my god, this one smells like just like peaches. I mean, I don't really know how peaches relate to a ballerina, but it just works. So I love like the design of the tutu. I just love that. Once again, this one is not airy. And make sure to go check out my other videos on my channel. And this one is just not as glossy, I guess, like not as sticky as the cupcake. But I think it might be a little more slow rising. Okay. Last but not least, I have this Silly Poo. This is the bubblegum one, and it smells identical to Double Bubble Gum. That was a little tongue twister there. This one is airy. Yeah, this is very airy. Probably one of the most slow rising is an airy. Airy, airy, airy. Hey. Yeah, I don't know what that was. But I just love like a little bubble gum right there. The next one I have is this blueberry muffin. And I didn't even show you all the license thing. I'll show you guys that at the end. But this one is so slow rising. This is probably like my second, maybe even first most slow rising squishy out of 100 squishies. That's basically my whole collection. It's so slow rising, it takes so long to rise, and it smells just like a blueberry muffin. I mean, the smell kind of wore away because I've had this for a while, but overall, this is a great squishy. I really recommend getting it. Silly Squishies is great. Every squishy they have has its own unique scent and style. Like, you cannot go wrong with getting any Silly Squishy. Some of them can be overpriced, but it's worth the money. And this one, I'm obsessed with this one. Okay, let's move on to the other 2 more for you. And I know I only have 6 Silly Squishies, which I know isn't a lot, but I mean, they are expensive, and I know they're having a sale, a permanent sale, but I got them all these squishies before they had the sale. So I have this unicorn cake, and this one also smells like buttercream, but it's even stronger scent. And this one I am obsessed with. This squishy is so beautiful. It's gold eyes, gold ears. The horn, I can't even like believe right now, the horn. Okay, so first I'm gonna squish like the access stuff, like the ears, like the rose. This rose is so satisfying to squish. And last but not least, the horn. It's like metallic-y. It's just gold. It's just amazing, and I love it. It's so soft, so slow rising. This is probably, I don't know if it's more slow rising than this one, but I cannot tell you how much I love this squishy. I'm pretty sure I actually got this one on sale, but this is the only squishy that I got from Silly Squishies that was on sale. The rest of them I had to pay full price. But make sure you go order off their website. I mean, I'm just so. Last but not least, we have this Silly Squishy Fruit Loop cereal, Fruity Ring cereal. It's called Fruity Ring cereal, but everyone knows it's Fruit Loops. Oh my goodness. Let's just take a moment and just like stare at it. Cause like this looks just like it. Like, I don't, and the spoon, It's really affected. I know it's about to come off, and if it comes off, I'm gonna cry. But you know, it's all good. It's so metallic. It's kind of like this horn, but the horn's bigger and moisturizing and way less affected. But we're just gonna like squish it. Okay, guys. So when I first got it, it was so airy. When I first squished it, that it literally had a bubble. Like when I squished it, this like the Fruit Loops popped. Like lid, I swear. It was like a bubble in it, and it went and just like popped. And ever since then, it hasn't been that airy. But that like it scared me. I wish I would have filmed that and posted it. It was just like breathtaking. This squishy, it smells just like Fruit Loops. Like if you were to have a bowl of Fruit Loops right here and this squishy right here, and you were blindfolded and had to smell them, you would think this was the real Fruit Loops. Or you wouldn't be able to tell the difference by smelling them. I don't even know how to describe this. Okay guys, so I'm just going to go back to all my squishies and show you guys the logo and maybe squish it just to make sure you guys know that these are actually silly squishies. I'm not trying to like, I don't know, like steal, I don't even know. But these are all real silly squishies. They all have the logo right there. And the logo just like makes the silly squishy a silly squishy. This one, I just love, I cannot talk to that. I can just like, I don't even know. I'm just going to end this video. I'm about to cry. These squishies are so good. Make sure to like, subscribe to my channel. Read the description. It has all the details you need to know about subscriptions, videos. I'm going to be posting every other day. And I'll see you next time on my channel, Arna Live. Bye guys!